Conversion of number bases. Now we are starting with conversion from other base to base 10. Conversion from one base to base 10. From one base to base 10. Conversion from one base to base 10. So, example, convert 211 to base 10. 211 base 2. Example, convert 211 base 2 to base 10. To base 10. Here, you multiply each of these numbers with the base, and then raise to power. If you do this one, we want to raise to power 0, raise to power 1, raise to power 2. Then to start with, you do 2 times 2. 2 times 2. Raise to power what? 2. This is raise to power 0. You start with raise to power 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So 2 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2. 1 times 2 raised to power 1. Then plus the last one, 1 times 2 raised to power 0. And this is equal to 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. So 8 plus 2 raised to power 1 is 2, 1 times 2 is 2. And then 2 raised to power 0 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. So this is equal to 8, 9, 10, 11. This is equal to 11 in base 10. That means this number in base 2 equal to 11 in base 10. Then now let's look at conversion from base 10 to other bases. And the first one says convert 15 base 10 to base 2. And of course, the normal way to divide. This is 15. Converting to base 2. 15. 7 remainder 1. 2 in 7 is 3 remainder 1. Then 2 in 3 is 1 remainder 1. And then 2 in 1 is 0 remainder 1. And we take this way, therefore 15 base 10 equals 1111 base 2. And then let's look at another example also now. Example. And this one says convert 52. This is 52 base 10 to base 3. Let's start this one. And then solution. We do our normal division. 52. Then we are dividing with 3. So 52 and 3 and 52 is 17. 17 remainder 1. Yeah, then 3 and 17 is 5 remainder 2. Then 3 and 5 is 1 remainder 2. And then 3 and 1 is 0 remainder 1. Let's look at it again. 3 and 52, 3 and 5 is 1 remainder 2. 17 remainder 1. Then 3 and 17 is 5 remainder 2. 3 and 5 is 1 remainder 2. Then 3 and 1 is 0 remainder 1. Therefore, we take this way. Therefore, 52 Therefore, 52 in base 10 equals 1221 in base 3. Okay, so you notice the difference. If you are converting from base 2 to base 10, you multiply with the base and then raising them to powers. But if you are converting from base 10 to the other bases, you divide the value with the base you are converting to. You convert convert 14 base 5 to base 8. Now the way to do this one is anything that has to do with conversion from one base to another, which is not base 10. It's just for you to convert this one first to base 10, and then from base 10 you convert it to base 8. So first of all, you convert this one to base 10. And of course, we know how to convert from one base to base 10. You multiply the base with the number. Of course, this one is first one is raised to power 0, raised to power 1. So we have 14 in base 5 is the same thing as 1 times 5 raised to power 1 plus 4 times 5 raised to power 0. That is equal to 5 raised to power 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is still 5. 5 plus 5 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. That is equal to what? 9 in base 10. Now, we converted it to base 10. We have to now convert it now from base 10 to base 8. For 9 base 10 to base 8. This implies we do the normal division dividing with base 8. This is 9. This is 8. Then 8 in 9 is 1 remainder 1. Then 8 in 1 is 0 remainder 1. Take this way. Therefore 14 base 5 equals 11 base